Hello everyone. A very warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a super creamy, chocolatey, and absolutely irresistible Oreo shake right at home. This cafe-style milkshake is rich, refreshing, and packed with the delicious flavor of everyone's favorite chocolate cookies. And the best part? You only need a few simple ingredients, and this amazing shake gets ready in just a couple of minutes. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. To make this delicious Oreo shake, you'll need Oreo biscuits, chocolate of your choice, 1 glass of chilled milk, chocolate syrup, and a few ice cubes. First, take around 8 to 10 Oreo biscuits. Now, take a blender jar and add the Oreo biscuits into it. You can break them into smaller pieces before adding. This helps them blend more easily. Next, add a small piece of chocolate of your choice for that extra rich and chocolatey flavor. Now pour in 1 cup of chilled milk. While our dish is cooking, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Now let's get back to our recipe. After that, add a little chocolate syrup to enhance the taste and give the shake a beautiful chocolatey richness. Finally, add a few ice cubes for a perfectly chilled and refreshing shake. Now blend everything together until it becomes smooth, creamy and frothy. And wow, just look at that rich, thick and creamy texture. Our delicious Oreo shake is almost ready. Now take a serving glass, drizzle some chocolate syrup inside the glass for that perfect cafe-style presentation. Carefully pour the prepared Oreo shake into the glass. For garnishing, top it with crushed Oreo biscuits. Extra chocolate syrup, or even a whole Oreo cookie. And that's it. Our thick, creamy, and super tasty Oreo shake is ready to serve. This shit is perfect for hot summer evenings, kids' parties, movie nights, or anytime you crave something sweet, cold, and refreshing. Do try this easy recipe at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.